So in this video tutorial, I am going to design single link. First of all, check the units. Unit should be in inches. Go to Sketch tab and open the sketch on the front plane. Okay. Next, go to Slot tool and straight slot. I am going to select the first point should be this origin and make sure it is a horizontal line. Then drag it and like that. Then go to Smart Dimensional tool and select this reference line. Its dimension should be 1.25, and then select this arc, and this dimension should be 0.5. Okay, and next go to exit and go to feature and extrude this sketch. So for this extrusion, I am going to make sure the direction one should be mid plane, and this depth dimension it should be 0.75. So the sketch will be extruded from the from this plane on both sides. Okay, and next we have to open the sketch on this surface. So go to sketch tab, open the sketch on this front surface. So the sketch will be in front of you. You have to go here to the circle, and from this origin draw a circle, and its dimension should be 1.020. Okay, like that. And again we are going to draw a circle on this side, and for that just move your cursor on this edge, and after some seconds, nanosecond, it will show you. You just have to hover over onto this edge. It will show this center point of this circle, this edge arc, and then just move your mouse to this center point. So it will tell for this circle which you are going to draw, it will have a coincident relation between this region. Okay, and again 1.02. Okay, next you have to make the cut and exit the sketch, go to feature, make sure the sketch is selected and use the cut tool. Okay, so for this cut we have to define this depth, and this depth should be 0.235. Okay, and cut it. And next we have to mirror this one. So for the mirror tool, make sure this cut feature is selected and click on mirror. So here you can see feature to mirror is already selected. Next we have to select mirror face or plane. Just expand this, and from here you have to select the front plane. Okay, so as you can see, it added this feature and mirror it. So next we simply have to use the sketch tool. Again go to sketch, open the sketch, and this time select this surface. Okay, and again a circle, and from the first circle just this origin point, and for second move your cursor, hover over on this edge, and it will show you the origin. And then again for this one we have 0.325, and just go here, add relation, select this arc and this arc, and add an equal relation between them, so it is fully defined. So exit the sketch, go to feature and extrude cut. Simple and through all. Okay, next we have to use the fillet tool. Go to fillet, and for this fillet we have 0.1. Okay, it's already typed, and now we have to select this one, this one, this, 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 and this edge, and again this edge. Okay, and if we click it, we will have shape like that. Next, simply you have to use the fillet tool and add fillet for the rest of the profile. So go to fillet, and for this fillet we have 0.032, and we have to select the outer edges. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We can also select this one, this one, and this edge. Okay, you can also select for these two edges, and also edges on the other side. like that. So now the single link is also designed. Thank you so much.